morning, dear Shem Stars. How are you all, students? I hope you all are safe at your home. Students, today we are going to begin with the new topic of our book. So let's begin with the chapter 8, that is Introduction to Trigonometry. So first we will start with the introductory part of the chapter Trigonometry. Before we start with the topic of trigonometry, let us understand some terms attached with a right angle triangle. Students, in a right angle triangle, if we are considering theta just adjacent to the right angle as shown in the figure, then its opposite side is always the perpendicular, its adjacent side is the base, and the side opposite to the right angle is always the hypotenuse, that is the longest side of a right angle triangle. So our perpendicular and base in case of a right angle triangle can be interchanged, but our hypotenuse is always fixed, that is the longest side of the right angled triangle. Now next is the basic T ratios of trigonometry. These are sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. So let us understand what is sin theta. So students, as given in the figure, if we will consider theta over here, then sin theta is given by opposite side over hypotenuse, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Next is the cos theta. Cos theta is the adjacent side over hypotenuse. Again, adjacent side means base over hypotenuse. Next is the tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side over the adjacent side, that is perpendicular upon base of the right angled triangle. Next, the remaining three T ratios are cosecant theta, secant theta and cotangent theta. So first of all, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is just the reciprocal of sin theta. So that is hypotenuse over perpendicular. Secant is the reciprocal of cos theta, that is hypotenuse over base. The last is cotangent, that is cot theta, which is the reciprocal of tan theta. So it is base over perpendicular. So likewise, you have learnt all the 6 T ratios and the relation between them. As we have seen that cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, secant is the reciprocal of cos and tan is the reciprocal of cot. So students, your today's homework is just to revise all these 6 ratios and the relation between them. So tomorrow we are going to start with the next exercise, that is exercise 8.1. That's all for today, students. Do revise what we have done in the class today, and if you have any query, please feel free to ask on the Google Classroom. Take care and have a great day ahead.